In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen capture a Zoom meeting. Whether you're the host or a participant, there are a few reliable ways to capture what's on screen, and I'll walk you through each one clearly so you can choose what fits your situation. Let's start with the simplest option: Zoom's built-in recording. If you're the host, or the host has granted you permission to record, just click the record button during the meeting. You'll see a small indicator that the recording has started. When you're done, stop the recording before you leave. After the meeting ends, Zoom will automatically convert the recording and save a video file on your computer. You'll get a pop-up or a folder window so you can find the saved file right away. A quick tip: mention to participants that you're recording, and do a short test before the actual meeting to make sure your microphone and system audio are captured the way you expect. If you don't have recording permissions or you prefer more control, use screen recording software. OBS Studio is a powerful free tool. Set your source to capture the Zoom window or your full screen, and choose your audio inputs so both your mic and system sound are included. Do a quick level check, then start recording before the meeting begins, and stop when you're finished. On Windows, you also have the Xbox game bar built in. Press Windows plus G to open it, then click Start Recording to capture your screen. It's handy for quick clips and saves automatically when you stop. You can also try online or other recorders, like Media.io, which run in a browser. Just allow screen and audio permissions when prompted. Another solid option is Movavi Screen Recorder. It's straightforward, especially if you want to capture Zoom along with your voice and the system audio, and it gives you an easy interface to select your source and start recording. Sometimes you only need a still image. For quick screenshots during a Zoom call, use your operating system's shortcuts. On a Mac, press Shift plus Command plus 3 to capture the whole screen, or Shift plus Command plus 4 to select a specific area. This is great for grabbing slides or key moments without creating a full video. If you want screenshots paired with a transcript for notes, third-party tools like Tactic can capture both together, which helps with summarizing later. Whatever method you choose, always respect meeting policies and privacy. With the right tool and a quick test beforehand, you'll have clean, usable captures every time.